In the deepest darkness, one small light refused to die. A single candle stood alone, trembling against the cold night. But the flame answered, "I may be small, but I still shine." And in that moment, the darkness began to retreat. One by one other candles were lit from its flame. Soon, the night was no longer empty. It was filled with light. Never underestimate a small light in a dark world, because even the smallest flame can begin a new dawn.